This next feature is pretty cool. It's especially helpful if you've got a distributed sales force that is in other countries or other places that speak other languages. If you go into just move this out of the way, if you go into the settings, and this is a personal feature. So this is a feature for any individual that can log into the system that can be changed on the individual level. So if I go into my personal settings, I'm going to see a new field here that says language. And you'll notice now, obviously, if I click through a little bit, obviously everything is in English, open, pending PO, all of those things. But then I go back to the settings, and now I say, you know what? I actually prefer to speak Spanish. So I'm going to save that, and then you'll see when the page reloads, suddenly now everything is in Spanish. So we've got all the labels are Spanish. Each of the navigation items, the data inside each of the, whether it's events or, inventory. And then, of course, I can, again, so we want to look at French. French is there. Now, suddenly everything is in French. So, it's a small feature, but a very powerful one, especially if you have sales reps or distributors in other countries, and you really want to deliver value to them, but you don't want to do it where you're forcing them to use an app in a non-native language. So again, you go into the settings and you see the drop-down for the language, and then you can pick which language you want, and it will change all of the text inside the app to the language that you've selected.